Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're following how ice cream cones are made, starting with the raw ingredients that give them their flavor, color, and crunch.
Weather's right, let's start this section. Set.
For cone makers, flour quality starts here. Protein balance, moisture, and crop consistency all matter before a single batch reaches the mixing room.
These roots look clean. Keep the harvester steady.
Keep that flow steady, we're hitting the density targets on this batch. Looks good for food grade. This is where efficiency begins. Modern harvesting helps suppliers preserve grain quality, reduce field loss, and moisture looks solid. Send this lot to the next truck. Sugar gives the cone sweetness, color development, and part of its crisp baked character. Careful early handling protects purity long before refining begins.
Open it another inch, nice and easy. Bring the cart over here, let's load these first.
On my way, boss.
Before flour reaches the cone plant, wheat moves through storage systems where lots are tracked, protected, and kept consistent for future production runs.
Check the seal before that truck rolls out.
What matters here is consistency. Before the factory can bake millions of cones, every ingredient source has to be documented, sampled.
Weight confirmed, send this one to outbound.
Manifests done, Curie. Attach it to trailer 12.
This is the first major handoff. Once these loads leave the collection yard, they begin a timed journey toward...
Trailer 1's ready. Send it up front. Pressure looks good. Begin transfer on my count.
Breaker 19, eastbound on the state route, looking clear ahead. Roger that, keep it rolling. Should hit the bypass in 20.
Warning, pull forward to receiving lane 2.
Arrival does not mean unloading right away. At this stage, every shipment is identified, logged, and routed into a tightly controlled intake sequence.
Gross weight confirmed re. Hold for sampling.
Take this straight to QC, Piddle. We need moisture first.
Before any ingredient enters production storage, the receiving team verifies identity, cleanliness, and condition. If a lot fails here, it never moves deeper into the plant.
Bay 3 is flowing. Maintain rate and watch pressure.
This early cleaning stage removes light debris, metal traces, and unwanted particles, protecting downstream equipment and helping...
This is where the factory starts taking control. Incoming ingredients are cleaned, verified, and stabilized before they ever reach the mixing systems that shape the cone batter.
Flow looks balanced, keep the wash line moving.
Even after mechanical cleaning, human eyes still matter. Visual inspection catches subtle defects machines may miss before ingredients enter the production stream.
Transfer stable current. Silo 4 is nearly full.
Prep Hopper 2 is live. Hold the target at standard rate. Everything up to this point has been preparation. Now the plant begins turning raw ingredients into a controlled food product.
Batch 1 is charging Fjungder. Hold the water rate steady.
This stage determines texture. Batter viscosity has to be exact or the finished cone can bake unevenly, lose shape, or crack during packaging.
Tank level is climbing here. Send it to depositor feed.
Once batter reaches the depositor, timing becomes everything. Each mold receives the exact amount needed for shape, color, and crisp structure.
Heat zone 2 is stable and can taste. No correction needed.
This is the defining moment. The hot wafer has only seconds to be shaped before it cools and locks into the cone we recognize on store shelves.
Spacing looks good. Keep that drop timing right where it is.
At production speed, inspection has to be instant. Cameras and sensors catch damaged cones before they can ever reach a customer or retailer. Merge section is clean pre. Keep those rows centered.
Up to this point, the factory is focused on forming the cone. Now the key question is simple. Does every piece meet the standard before it goes any farther?
Log this batch first, what? Moisture and break test next.
Release is good. Send this batch to packaging.
After baking, shaping, cooling, and testing, the cones are finally cleared for packaging. The last step.
Packaging line is live. Watch the first stacks come through.
Seal pressure looks clean. No burn marks.
Inspections clean peri. Send these on to cartoning.
Traceability follows every pack. Coding links each bundle back to its batch, test results, production time, and the exact line that made it.
Magazines full teens. Keep the erector running.
This stage is all about protection and consistency. Once the cones are wrapped and coated, the factory has to pack them fast without damaging the product inside.
Load pattern is clean, Delu. No crushed packs on this lane. Retail packs may be consumer-facing, but shipping cases are built for logistics, protecting product through handling, warehousing, and long-distance distribution.
Layer 1 is set. Keep the pallet feed coming.
Wrap is tight. Wait, move this one to scan out.
At this point, every pallet becomes part of a tracked logistics system. Inventory control ensures the right product reaches the right customer on the right schedule.
Route 5 loads first warming. Keep export hold separate.
The factory's work is nearly finished. Now product protection depends on careful trailer loading, route planning.
Last 2 pallets go on the right, then strap it down.
From farm ingredients to finished pallets, every step in this plant is built around consistency, speed, and protecting that fragile cone all the way to the customer.
After all the testing, wrapping, coating, and shipping, the final result is simple. A crisp cone ready for dessert counters, grocery aisles, and millions of customers.